One of the key areas that we train in prosthodontics is the provision of crowns, bridges, and veneers. A crown is, on the surface, pretty simple. There are very specific criteria that need to be met to have a successful crown last for decades. And as a prosthodontist, those are things that are just very routine, so it gives us an advantage because that's what we do. One of the unique perspectives that we have at Legato Dental Center is that we often get to see many of the things that have not worked out as well other places, and we get to replace them. And that helps us to understand, one, how to avoid those mistakes, and two, material selection, which is really critical in achieving the best aesthetic result and the greatest longevity with crowns and bridges. Crowns, bridges, and veneers are core services in dentistry, whether they're provided by our general dentist or by a prosthodontist in our clinic. We work to achieve the result that the patient wants. If we're talking about a smile, we're going to use the very best materials available for a crown and veneer. Whereas if a person's looking for a more basic restoration just to restore the function of a back tooth, perhaps the aesthetics is not as critical to that person, and we can provide a more simple solution to make sure that person can chew properly. Really, we're going to choose those materials, and the success is going to be a reflection of that material selection based on the patient's needs. In addition to material selection, a critical element to the success of a crown, bridge, or veneer is the preparation of the tooth to support those restorations. As a prosthodontist, that's one of the key things that we study and perform on a daily basis. Crowns, bridges, and veneers can be as simple as fixing a front tooth or fixing a broken back tooth, to as involved as improving the appearance of all of a person's teeth or rebuilding all of the teeth after a traumatic accident or just neglect over time. These are tools that we use to restore a person's previous full function and aesthetics.